In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Webex on your PC. This simple guide will walk you through each step with ease, ensuring you have everything you need to get started with Webex right away. So let's dive in and begin the process. To start off, the first thing we need to do is head over to the official Webex website. Open your preferred web browser. Whichever one you're most comfortable using will do just fine. In the address bar at the top, type in webex.com and hit enter. This will take you to the homepage of Webex, a platform known for its robust video conferencing and collaboration features. Once you're on the Webex homepage, your next task is to locate the download section. This is usually found in the navigation menu, or sometimes displayed prominently on the front page, given its importance. You're looking for a link or a button that says Download Webex. Websites often update their layouts, so take a moment to scan the page if it's not immediately obvious. After clicking on Download Webex, you'll see options for different operating systems. Since we're focusing on PC, make sure you select the Windows download. It's crucial to download the version that's compatible with your system to avoid any installation issues later on. With the download option selected, click on it to start the download process. Your browser might ask you to confirm the download or choose a destination for the file. Go ahead and click Save or OK, and remember where the file is being saved so you can easily locate it later. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file has been saved. You can usually find this in your Downloads folder unless you chose a different location. Look for a file named something like webx.exe. The name might vary slightly depending on the version. Now let's move on to the installation process. Double-click on the downloaded file to run the installer. Your computer might prompt you with a security warning or ask for admin permissions to proceed. This is standard procedure, so simply click Yes or Allow to continue. The installation wizard will now guide you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Typically, this involves agreeing to the terms and conditions, selecting an installation path, and choosing any desired settings. If you're unsure about any option, the default settings usually work well for most users. Once you've completed the setup steps, click the Install button. The installation process may take a few minutes, so be patient as the software copies files and configures itself on your system. After the installation is complete, you should see a confirmation message. Finally, you can launch Webex from the Start menu or a newly created desktop shortcut. From here, you'll be able to sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet, and begin enjoying all the features Webex has to offer. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Webex on your PC, ready to start collaborating with colleagues, friends, or family. Thanks for watching, and happy conferencing.